Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm coming at you with another review from SushyGlow Cosmetics. I was so excited to get these products. I've been waiting a little while to try them, and I just want to say that I am wholeheartedly satisfied 100%. But yeah, let's get into it. We're going to do a little bit of unboxing and a try on. So this is what the packaging looks like for the lip tints. It's super cute. This tint's name is Ripped Guts. This tint's name is Lilith. And this tint's name is Lovesick. This gloss is called Lon Lon Milk. It is unscented and it is part of the Ocarina of Time bundle, or you can buy this product separately, but for my sake I got the Ocarina of Time bundle. This gloss is called Heart Potion and it is mixed berry scented and has a sheer red appearance. And last but not least, this is the fairy bottle. It's strawberry scented and it is color changing. This one I was most excited for just because I love color changing products and it's so cute. Yes, this is a black gloss and it's called Corrupted. This next gloss is called Blood Moon. I'm excited for this one, it looks so pretty. Now it's time to try on the products. This product goes on smooth and it does feel pretty good on my lips. I really like the smell of this one. It smells really fruity. I really love how it gives like a really sheer red tint. It looks so cute. It gives you like a little splash of color. So we're gonna try on Corrupted next, and I will do the fairy bottle at the end since that's color changing. This gloss also has a mixed berry scent. Y'all excuse the faces I'm making. I'm like mad nervous because I have never in my life wore a black gloss or a lipstick, so it's very interesting to see how it looks on me. Do y'all see how amped I am to try this one? This gloss looks so pretty in the pictures and it smells amazing. It has a vanilla scent. Do y'all see how pretty that looks on my lips? Like, the color. So with this, the more you add, the faster that the product starts to change. And I love how this is like a natural pink. Like, do you guys see that? It's like, it's not too much, it's very subtle, and it smells absolutely delicious. And it looks so beautiful. I love the bottle. So let's do some swatches of these lip tints. I didn't want to put them on my lips just yet because I have work. and I didn't know what to expect, so I just did some arm swatches and saved these for the weekend, which I will show you. And also, you can only do one at a time, so I figured, a little swatch would be nice. So this first one is Lovesick. Next up we have Lilith. This last lip stain is called Ripped Guts. So let's try the wipe test. I did let it dry. I just want to see how much will come off, if any comes off. And let's do some lip gloss swatches. Here we have Corrupted, Blood Moon, Heart Potion, Lon Lon Milk, and the Fairy Bottle. Hope this helps for when you buy items from SushyGlow Cosmetics. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the new lip stain drops because I just received those as well.